Today we're going to be replacing a failed bulb on this Hisense American style fridge freezer. I'll just show you on the fridge side. We've got an LED bulb there working quite well, and on the freezer side there is another one there which is unfortunately given up the ghost. It just basically started blinking and flashing one day when we last went in the freezer, and then it failed within the day. So the first thing to do is to switch the fridge freezer off. If only access to the fridge freezer was that good, so I found the relevant trip. If in doubt, you can always hit the big red one and that'll turn the full power off to the property. And we'll just double check that power is definitely off, as the fridge light is no longer illuminating, and also this panel. Well, I'm going to take a knife and I'm just going to gently try and tease this off. Like so. There's 4 tabs on it, so just be careful, as one of these tabs was broken. And we can now see the LED strip, so what we have to do is to push it on the tabs and pull it off. And see, it's just kind of wedged in there. It's a bit fiddly to do, but when we get it down, we should just be able to unplug it here. And in making this video, I am in fact defying a warning, which I don't particularly care about because I'm living dangerously. If I can't change it, who can? I'm not calling the customer helpline for a man to come out and charge an exorbitant sum of money just to change this. So this is how I got the replacement. I flipped this over and I observed this number here, and an eBay search yielded a couple of spares. I actually bought 2, and unfortunately when they arrived they were fused together. I had to separate these circuit boards, which took several passes with a Stanley knife, and in doing so I've nicked the PCB there. So I'm going to try this one first and see if it works, and if it fails we'll try the other one. So dimensionally they are a little bit longer. You can just see about 1 mil longer than there, and that's the number on that one, and that is the number on the replacement. So I'll just quickly flick the power on just to see if I haven't damaged that board separating it, and the good news is all is well, so we can try and put everything back in place. So we've got the replacement in, and what I do, just push it right on the back tabs, and then you can rotate the full board in place, and that should be something like, it is actually on an angle, presumably, so it's directing the light into the freezer part. And now we can replace this. Just carefully does it and restore the power. So here's the moment of truth, and that's a heck of a lot better there. We can see exactly what's for dinner. So we'll close the door on that repair. Many thanks for watching, and why not subscribe to learn of more low cost repair solutions.